I welcome all of you on Yourpedia Education channel. And many of you aspire to be in Premium Research Institute of India, ISRO. This is one of the most reputed organization globally, because there are so many things which are associated with ISRO, and this is one of the proud for India, this organization, and being scientist in such organization is a matter of great prestige. Now the result of written exam has just come for ISRO, and there are approximately 2,500 engineers and technocrats and scientists who have got shortlisted for the second stage, that is the interview stage. And there are mainly three branches, that is computer science and electronics and mechanical. Students have got call from interview. There is something which is very peculiar about ISRO interview. Interview is the only decisive factor. Written exam marks are not the criteria now. After this, only on the basis of interview you will be selected. And I think normally they call 8 to 10 times people. So if there are, let's say, 250 seats of scientists, then they will call 2,500 people for interview. So 1:10 is the ratio. Out of every 10 student, one will be selected purely on the basis of interview. So even if your written exam is not that good, or it is good, interview is a very, very crucial thing. And second part, I believe that interview is all about practice. Interview is not about knowledge. Students think it is about knowledge. It is about practice. And ISRO normally goes for interview in three different patterns. There are patterns. There are three patterns in ISRO. One of the pattern you will be having in the interview. This actually knowledge, it is not that knowledge is important, it is the approach is very, very important in the interview. How you approach any question given by them. Questions are very simple. Interview will be 25-30 minutes, not more than that. It is not BAR's interview, it is not very long interview. It is 25-30 minutes interview. And approach will be checked. They will check your approach, and also they will give you opportunity to tell your favorite subjects. What are the favorite subjects? But if even if you have told your favorite subjects, then yes, they can ask you from different subjects also. And if some subject they started asking you question from, and if you're not comfortable, you can say no to that. Even that is there. So you should have your favorite domains in which you should be comfortable. Your approach should be good. You should know the pattern. And third is if I tell you BTech project, yes, they ask you question from your internship and project also. That also you should be ready. So in my opinion, I think you have time. We have time to prepare for this, and it is all about practice. You need to go for practice. Now, Yourpedia is the only dedicated platform where you will be prepared for such domains. You will be prepared for the interview domains and all, and you will be mentored very well for this kind of preparations. And there are so many previous interviews of the students you can get benefited from. So my request to all of you, those who are seriously looking forward for ISRO, please get in contact with the team of Yourpedia, and let's prepare it really well so that we can convert it. Interview is a skill and we can master it. Now let me hurriedly tell you, they have given the result has been declared, and this all the results, this details, I mean roll number and all, they are attached with the video itself. You can see the this attachment there. You can see the result of the your own result, whether you got shortlisted for interview. And also there's a Google form attached. There's a contact number of executive. Nikita ma'am contact number is there. You can call her and schedule your mock interview with the members, Yourpedia team members, mentors. And also there's a Google form. You fill that Google form also. So you can drop call also to Nikita ma'am, and you can also fill the Google form if you want the mock interview. So that details will remain with us. So for if I tell you about different computer science, here computer science may approximately 418, that is 418. Why approximately 418 people have been shortlisted for next stage. Then comes electronics. Electronics may 1016 people have been shortlisted, and for mechanical engineering 1075. So approximately 1000 students for electronics and mechanical, and 400 students for computer science shortlisted for interview. And prepare it well so that you can go to next stage and you can get selected into this. I'm very sure you guys have already started preparing. When the interview will be done, nobody knows, but yes, it will be offline, what I think. But as of now, but offline interviews have started. I mean, in public sector we have seen IOCL interview, Coal India Limited interview, they are offline. So in most probably I think they will be offline interview. On board you have to write and something like that. I will keep on discussing, many videos will come. And second is, maybe you have 1 month, just assume that it can be 1 month, it can be 2 or 3 also, but 1 month you assume. Start pushing yourself, you have great opportunity. ISRO is a great organization to join, and you can push from here. All the best. Team Yourpedia is there with you in exploring all these opportunities. Thank you.